I've seen what a loose connection or a slight misconfiguration can do to a motor or drive if it's not installed correctly. It doesn't always cause a bang. It might mean a small inefficiency that eats away at your ROI for years. We make sure that doesn't happen by getting the alignment and integration perfect from the start. Service engineers at ABB are certified. That means when we come to install your new drive, motor or generator, we make sure you have the long-term reliability you need for true operational continuity. In other words, less downtime, better efficiency and fewer surprises down the road. At ABB, we make sure your new equipment works right the first time, so you can consistently hit your targets from day one.
ABB, installation and commissioning you can count on.